We got Jennie in the motherfucking building. What's poppin', y'all? What's good, dreamers? We got Jennie, Less Than a Lover, just released. Now, I'm gonna just let you know, if this gets blocked, which I've been seeing it getting blocked by my other content creator friends, I will put an overlay over it, and then it will be uploaded on Patreon for free. So be sure to check out the Patreon. Go to Patreon, follow. It's free. And if you want to subscribe, you can subscribe for $1 to access more content. But without further ado, let's check out Jennie. I'm curious to hear what this sounds like and what the story is. Less than a lover. Oh my God, what does that even mean? Like less than a lover? So like friends with benefits, or like an ex? I don't know. What something? Okay, let's just get into it. Let's dive in. Follow the Patreon.
So I want to film about a girl.
Oh.
She wants to avoid love. Wants to avoid responsibilities.
I mean, period. Me too.
She's very confused.
Me too every day.
But also knows what she wants.
Oh.
Just to enjoy summer.
Ooh, I love the filming of this already. Ooh, I got chills. Girl, stop staring at me. Oh.
Don't rush. Teaching me how to trust. Don't have to be undercover. It's just us. It's more beautiful when we open up and get to know each other.
That is true.
So in this next scene, we meet in the hallway.
Oh.
We look into each other's eyes and we smile. Okay?
When all feels lost.
I feel like I shouldn't even. Oh, they looking at me? Am I part? Are we in a throuple? Am I part of this? Who's this?
We've been on the road for hours, not knowing our destination. So we just decide to soak in the moment.
Huh. Oh. What? Damn. So it's literally text for text, like a screen script. A screenwriting script? You know what I'm talking about? Like it says external beach sunset scene. I love the outfits though. They corrected it. Who is this guy? He's good looking though. Or are they Spain still? Probably Spain,
So,
yeah.
final scene. We're at the beach. It almost feels like a date. And you can't control your emotions.
Oh shit.
And you just keep wanting more.
Are we going there? Nah, this is. Oh. I mean, I don't care if they kiss or not. I'm not into this. I never was affected. This is blue balling. It blue balling. No. Oh wait, hold on. We back at square one. To be continued. Oh hell no. By Chloe and Jennie, directed by Chloe. Ooh. Shout out to everybody that worked on this. This was cute. I liked it. Felt like lighthearted summer vibes. You know what I'm saying? Catering. Hey, shout out to catering. And no, for real, shout out to everybody that worked on this. Kevin Chung, Dero, Ala Jung, Domingo. Okay. Damn, a little short film, summer fling type of vibe. All right, I'll put a comments down below what you guys think of Jennie Less Than a Lover. I thought it was cute. I thought it was cute. I like the vibe. It feels like a European short film. That's what it felt like. Just eat, and the way that she was like basing it off, like this is gonna happen, that's gonna happen. It almost feels Virgo like, you know, like it's not like in a controlling way. It's like this is like it's like planning out the summer, or like a summer fling. That's basically a little less than a lover, right? Like you like this boy, he's cute, but you don't want to fall in love. You don't want to like, you know, commit to like a relationship. A relationship, you gotta put a lot of work in. I don't know if y'all know, but all right, Jennie, I see you. I always appreciate Jennie's creativity. That's why I really did enjoy her last album. I really do. I have the other one as well over there, but I did really enjoy this album. So I'm very curious of what there is to come. And Little Less Than a Lover, I definitely think it's a very cute European short film type of vibe, you know. And yeah, again, guys, if you want to see the full non-edited version covered of go follow the Patreon. It'll be on there, all for all eyes to see. And yeah, appreciate you guys, love you guys, always. Thank you so much for always supporting me for all these years, bro. No matter how many views I get, I always appreciate every comment, every view, every like, and I just want to say thank you as always. It's your boy Dre, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.